guys and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining in. So in today's video we are here at a new place once again. We are here at the Burger Company. So the Burger Company happens to be a franchisee, a Delhi based franchisee, and they have their first outlet here in Guwahati. And today we are here to show you guys everything about the Burger Company, what all you can expect before dropping by here. So the Burger Company is a very affordable, budget friendly, student friendly spot. So they happen to serve a lot of these quick munchies, and it is a QSR, like quick service restaurant. So all they have are burgers, french fries, coolers, cold coffee, shakes, and what all? They have popcorn. So they have basically milkshakes, coolers, beverages, desserts, and burgers here start at just ₹49. Can you even believe that? So I needed to be here and give you an idea of everything about the Burger Company. So we are going to explore everything about this new place in town. So watch the video till the end. Do not forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a good time out here. I am Salma. I make travel, food and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment to follow me on my Instagram, because you get to see a lot of these new happenings in and around Guwahati city on my Instagram as well. So make sure you follow me and let me give you a tour of how this place actually looks. As I have already mentioned about the menu and the pricing, so the cheapest burger out here, which starts at just ₹49, and it is a veg rockstar burger. And the most expensive one out here, as I can see, is the Belt Buster Crunchos. That is also a burger. It costs you $269. So for two people it is around going to cost you like maximum 500 based on what you order, and I think that's such a great deal. If you get burgers, fries, a cooler or a mocktail, that's such a good amount, and it comes so handy and so affordable. So talking about the menu, they have quite many options and they cover a lot of things. Like they have couple of veg burger options, they have a lot of non-veg burger options, then they have fries, appetizers, pizza, pasta, and a lot of other stuff. So basically the menu is very widely curated and it has something for everyone, so that's a plus point. And the most important thing which I need to mention about this place is the location. It's very easily accessible. It's located in Lamb Road, just opposite the Corner Cafe. Very easily accessible, there is no parking issue, and the price point. So I'm super excited to try out what all they have to offer, and then only I can give you an idea about the taste. So keep watching to know everything about the food and the taste, and obviously the quantity, because we have to see that the quantity justifies the price, if it's more or if it's comparatively lesser. So let's see. I'm quite excited to see the food. as the menu covers a lot of things like burgers, both in veg and non-veg, mocktails, french fries, combo meals, and a lot of other stuff. So I have inculcated and curated स्प्रेड जहाँ मतलब वेज भी है, नॉन वेज भी है, मील बॉक्स भी है, मॉकटेल भी है. ये इनका काफ़ी फेमस इंजेक्टर है. तो वी हैव कॉल्ड इन फॉर द ग्रीन एप्पल इंजेक्टर. This is their french fries in a jar. This is cheesy overloaded fries. We have blueberry cheesecake milkshake. Then we also have a cooler which is their signature. ये काफ़ी एकदम लंबा ग्लास में आता है. Then we have popcorn over here. So basically menu यहाँ start हो जाता है from just ₹49. Like from 49 you can have a burger and it's quite pocket friendly, and comparatively compared to the prices इनकी quantity काफ़ी सही है. Like you can see, so this is their most expensive burger. This is a belt buster crunchos. This retails for $22.69. ये उनका सबसे बड़ा and overloaded burger है, and this is the most expensive. So the menu ranges maximum to 300. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. So इस मतलब इसको टैक्स मिला के somewhere around उस रेंज में आ जाएगा, पर you won't find anything exceeding 300. And then they have a couple of veg options and a lot of other stuff like pasta, pizza, बहुत कुछ मिल जाएगा. So मैं अभी ट्राई करने वाली हूँ इनका वेज बर्गर and the cheesy French fries. ये थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो गया meanwhile I was speaking, but the quantity is quite appropriate. This is their veg burger. Comes with lettuce, sauce, some olives, fresh olives, and then tomato. Then they have a patty going on. I'm super excited to try. The bun is quite soft and looks juicy. So this burger is huge. It has like fried chicken in it, and ये spicy burger था कोई, but I'm going to try it. So by spicy I meant it has a spicy sauce. Other than that, it's very juicy. The chicken is very well cooked. It's very crispy and it's super flavorful. Love it. Couple of meal boxes. So this is a veg meal box wherein you get a soft drink, a choco pie, a burger, a hash brown, and some french fries. So this is quite affordable and ये काफ़ी सही है for one person. It's appropriate quantity and this has a lot of stuff. This is a perfect option if you're looking for something during your lunch break or later in the evening. So this makes it such a good meal. And then moving on, we have the mocktails, milkshakes, and their signature cooler. So ये ऐसे लंबे ऐसे glass में आता है. And this is the Burger Company's signature mocktail. It's very refreshing. So this is their blueberry cheesecake milkshake. I mean, look at the quantity. They have a huge spread of dash of whipped cream going on, and it's quite thick. Looks very tempting to me. It's really nice. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है that I'm drinking a blueberry cheesecake. Next up we have the chicken popcorn. This comes in this size and this has got like these bites of chicken popcorn. काफ़ी क्रिस्पी है एंड आई लव इट. इट हैज़ द मसाला गोइंग ऑन, मतलब ऐसा पोर कर दिया है उन्होंने, द पेरी पेरी मसाला और समथिंग. सो इट्स मेकिंग इट वेरी टेस्टी. लव इट. It was such a great time. मतलब मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था कि इतना अफोर्डेबल होगा. एंड ऑब्वियसली आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट देम बीइंग वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड बजट फ्रेंडली, बट जब मैंने टेस्ट किया तब पता लगा अबाउट द क्वांटिटी एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ द फूड. मतलब काफ़ी सही है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. द क्वांटिटी, द क्वालिटी ऑफ द फूड एंड टेस्ट वाइज भी बहुत अच्छा है. एंड क्योंकि मतलब वी टेंड टू हैव ऑल ऑफ दीज आइटम्स बाहर कैफेज में वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होता है. तो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड काफ़ी मतलब स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली मेन्यू रखा गया है. एंड द आइटम्स आर रियली गुड. मतलब हर कोई मतलब ट्राई कर सकता है, फ्रॉम वेज टू नॉन वेज. मतलब आप जाओगे तो यू विल जस्ट नीड टू स्पेंड 500 and you will matlab have bhar pet khana. So it is that good. It is like one of the most affordable, pocket friendly finds in the city, and I'm very happy that they have opened their first outlet in Guwahati. And मैंने ये सुना है that they are the fastest growing, you know, woman led business, and that makes me really happy and मतलब support करना चाहते हैं. So that's it. I hope आप visit करेंगे. It is very accessible. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, it is located in Lamb Road, दिघोली पुखुरी East, उजान बाजार, and it's very very easily accessible. आपको पार्किंग भी मिल जाएगा. And they also have a smoking area, they have play area, PS भी लगा हुआ है. They also have as a live jamming, मतलब गिटार विटार है, and live jamming भी शायद karaoke जैसा कुछ करेंगे on the weekends. They are still planning on a lot of things because it's very new, it's very fresh. So I hope आपको मजा आया होगा, and I hope you'll drop by here, enjoy the food and have a lovely time out here. That's about it for today's video. I'll see you guys soon with a really nice video, probably a new place again. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. Abhi chalo ghar chalte hain, and I'll try finding more new places for you guys. Bye bye.